Listen to this. More than 40 residents and a dozen staff members at a Grove nursing home have now tested positive for COVID-19.
Now local and state representatives working together to make sure the nursing home has everything they need. News on 6's Sawyer Bussey with our top story.
An April 14th report from the Oklahoma State Department of Health shows 63 people at Grove Nursing Center have tested positive for COVID-19, including residents and staff members.
The state came down to that facility. They tested the employees. They tested the residents. Those tests arrived in Oklahoma City at 6 a.m. on Saturday. We had the results back Sunday.
Local and state leaders say they started working together with leaders from the nursing home and nearby hospital to make sure everyone had what they needed. Things like PPE were a major topic of discussion.
We set up a liaison with the facility and our Delaware County Emergency Manager for things like PPE.
Opening those lines of communication is important just so that we could know what do they need, how can we help.
So was the local hospital.
So in the event that something, a catastrophic would happen with the residents of the facility, the hospital in Grove has enough beds, they have enough respirators. It was put out by Governor Stitt that they wanted all hospitals throughout the state to be able to support an increase of 40%. And so my hospital is confident that if needed, they could.
The nursing home says they are following CDC guidelines and say sick residents have been isolated and sick employees are in contact with the health department. They say they will continue to not allow visitors at this time. So families have been coming to the nursing home windows to talk to their loved ones. Now, I did speak to the nursing home today. No one wanted to go on camera, but they do tell me they have enough PPE for this moment. They're just not sure how long any of this will last, so they are taking PPE donations. They're telling me that they really need face masks and face shields. If you'd like to donate, there's a link in this story on our News on 6 app. Sawyer Bussey, Oklahoma's own News on 6.